Hello friend, my name is Halimi. I want to review the book History God by Karen Armstrong. God is a theme that is always interesting to discuss at all times. It refers continually and is from man from generation to generation in all aspects. His concept, his form, his abilities, and everything related to him. This is what Karen Armstrong captured and researched in her book History of God. Organizes into 11 chapters. The book History of God contains chapter 1 in the beginning, chapter 2 the one God, chapter 3 link to the Trinity, chapter 4 the Trinity Christian God, chapter 5 Oneness God of Islam, chapter 6 God of Philosopher, chapter 7 God of the Mystic, chapter 8 God of Reformation, chapter 9 Enlightenment, chapter 10 Death of God, chapter 11 is 3 a future for God. In the first chapter, the author traces and explain the monotheism of belief in one God is meant from concept of God. However, the concept of one God here has many versions carrying out the existing religions. Among them is the concept of Ignis God or God of heaven. Whoever says other God. Another extreme is the good of Job. The description of and the process of forming the Jewish belief present very clearly in the second chapter, starting from the occurrence of the apparition of the figure of God by Isaiah on the throne of temple to the condition of the Jewish nation many years later. The 13 and 14, the third and fourth chapter are contradictory and that then explain the history of Christian belief and the evolution that took place in. If not the second chapter, it is explained about the emergency of Christianity, where Jesus and only considered a noble man who broke God's message. Then in the fourth chapter, the chronology of the definition of Christian creed at the beginning of the 4th century explained. This stem from the political motive of Emperor Constantine to perpetuate his power by driving the holding of the Council of Nicaea. In it, bishops from all over came together to agree to the Trinity, inheriting cross authority and outer dogmas. It was this agreement that eventually became the main teaching of Christian belief and erases the original belief. Islam with monotheism as the core of its teaching is discussed in the 5th chapter, starting for the process of the first revelation and Hira cave through the intermediary of the angel Gabriel. Then older till that chronology of the entry of this new ideology into the people of Mecca. He explained how a religious state is full of rationality, which this negotiation and it from free use has turned the ignorant security and into the center of no war civilization. The next 3 chapters contain a comparison between various views of figure and sect, which are divided into 3 classifications: philosopher, mystic, and reformers. The 6th chapter contains the content of God for philosophy, especially Islamic philosopher when Arabic began to intersect with Greek and philosophy. Explained the concept of God by Al-Kindi, Al-Razi, Al-Farabi, and Ibn Sina, and many more. The seven chapters contain the concept of God, which is presented by several sects in Judaism, Christianity, and to a lesser extent Islam. Meanwhile, the eighth chapter discusses the concept of God, which sparks in the 15th and the 16th centuries, especially in Europe. This concept is able to awaken Europe from the east to throne and even surpass Islamic civilization. In the ninth chapter, the author explains the evolution process of everyone thinking about our action in contemporary, along with the development of rationality with the discovery of technology after existing century. Only in the 10th chapter, the understanding of the absence of God that experiencing in Europe in spirit, trivial and eccentric and expression such in God is the opinion of quantity. God is dead, and if God had not died, then it is the duty of rational and emancipated human being to kill him.